Okay, in this problem we're going to solve the compound inequality. So we can add 4 into the middle, and when we do that we need to add 4 to both sides of the compound inequality. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8, which is less than 2x, which is less than, let's see, negative 10 plus 4 would be negative 6. Now to solve for x I need to divide by 2, so I do that on both sides of the inequality as well. So I get negative 4 is less than x, which is less than negative 3. And now I need to graph that solution. So I have at negative 4 and negative 3. Because these are just less than, not equal, using the circle notation, it would be all the solution from negative 4, not including negative 4, up to negative 3, not including negative 3. Now if you wanted to use the other way of graphing, you can use parentheses. Okay, and then using interval notation, our solution goes from the endpoint negative 4, not including it, all the way up to negative 3, not including it. So there's our interval notation of the solution.